What's up, guys? In this video, I'm basically going to show you how to use the break-even tool here with TradeLocker. This is absolutely a wonderful tool to use for traders that are struggling with discipline or knowing when to get out of the trade. So as you can see right now, I'm in this trade. This is gold, XEU, US dollar, and right now I'm up $160. Now, you do not want to let a winning trade become a losing trade. So this trade right here, I'm going to close out for $40 in profit. Boom, we're out. Now this trade right here, I'm going to set that to a break-even. So if I hit this little line right here, that means that now I have a stop loss in place. So you guys can see I just hit this little line, boom, and then I'm out of this one. So ultimately what that means is that now I got out of this trade for break even. So that is a great way to basically protect your capital and never let a winning trade become a losing trade, because you see how instantly it could just change direction. So again, using this break even tool and features is absolutely wonderful to protecting your account and long-term growth. So hopefully this video helps you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.